definitely see what goes on here. It's swelled up. Probably didn't have proper expansion to begin with, but look how much it's pushed. It's pushed here because it's so tight that it's pulling the base off the wall. It's just like teetering it like that. We're pushing in at the bottom, pulling out at the top. Definitely gotta have proper expansion on laminate. Get away with as much as possible. If you're doing a 5/8 quarter rim, go a half, at least 3/8. I would definitely go a half. I'm setting my spacers at 5 millimeters is what I'm setting them at, and that's giving us a huge gap for expansion. Look right here, see that? So that's what I got on all mine. You did get as much as you possibly can when dealing with laminate tab. As I stated on this job before, I did a repair here, quite a bit actually. You can see, I wish I had noticed this first, but it held so tight. And this is just regular Type Bond 2 wood glue where I glued these planks in. Look at this. This is one of the few good joints left in here. And again, this is glued together with Type Bond 2. Let's pull it apart and take a look at it. See that? So again, it destroyed the laminate getting it apart and the glue held. So never have to worry about your boards failing if you get them in there properly. I knew that I'd done that because I can see my cut right here where I cut them up. See that? And there's my little wide cut. Oh my goodness, you might say, how on earth did you get that big island with the quartz countertop picked up and set back over here on the new floor? With that. That's how. With that. So, those crazy little feet like that on the counters, I would either undercut them or simply taking them off, which makes it a whole lot easier to deal with this instead of that. Check this out. All them crazy little cuts right there, they don't even have to be. Watch this. Bam. That's going to make all that stuff so much easier. Instead of doing all them silly notches and everything. Same here. All this is completely covered, so I don't even have to go back there. Just back in here under the seat. Same thing over there. Definitely going to make it easier. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind today. It was a nice little short video, but you guys got any suggestions or recommendations? I'm all up for it, okay? People seem to like how I responded really quick to the seaming video and jumped right over and did one with the traditional tape. So if you guys got something that you want to see, hit me up. Throw it in the comments. Whatever you want to do, okay? I'll do my best to get it out to you just as soon as I can, okay? Don't forget about May 5th, 6th, and 7th. We are having some classes right here. Floors by Southern Boys and NFIC are having some carpet training classes right here at the studio. If you're interested, hit me up on Facebook. Email me at floorsbysouthernboys@gmail.com, or you can text me at 520-351-1526. Until next time, FBSB's out.